guys, wanted to show you some new features that we've got that we've been working on with Funnelbolt, and probably the biggest change that we've got right now, biggest addition that we're adding to the system, is the ability to get leads into our system without using our landing page builder. So if you have a website or landing page elsewhere and you want to get leads into our system easily, you can do that. So we have a form builder, and we're just going to name the form test 2 next. So this is not 100% done yet. That's why we have not pushed it to all of everyone's systems. But the form builder is going to look something like this, where we have a modal pop-up, we have a floating box form, and we have a full page form. So depending on what you want to use, just select the one that you want. And for this, we're going to have a modal pop-up, and these are the templates we have right now. We're basically working on pulling in all of the pop-up forms that we have within the current landing page builder. So that's why we've only got a few of them right now. We're going to bring in a few more, but they're fully customizable, so I'm just going to pick one of them here. And you will be able to change the image here if you want, and change the orientation of it if you want, add some more padding if you want. Pretty simple stuff. And then the text, of course, you can change that text to whatever you want, and you can add new fields if you want to add new fields. So we're going to call this, whatever, this here. And the button can be changed as well. So we're going to form, and the colors, obviously this is kind of rough. We can change this to where you can select the colors and all that kind of stuff. So there's a few things that we're kind of working on making a little more user-friendly, but this is how this works. So we're going to take this to the next page, and what campaigns do we want to start? So here's where it kind of integrates with our system. So you're going to select whatever campaigns you want to start, and next. Then if you have a Facebook pixel or tag manager or anything like that that you want to fire, you would insert that here, and then that is going to throw that form, or throw that pixel into the form. So we can copy this script, and you would insert the script in the header of the page. Close. Okay, so now we have the analytics more or less on that form, and we can go back in and change the form if we need to, make any changes, whatever we need. So there's that. And the second change that we have is to the campaigns themselves, and we kind of announced this a while back, but it has now been pushed to everyone's accounts, where we can now select a relative from previous action timing sequence. So this way you can set your campaigns and your deal stages to nurture, say, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, like whatever you want to do. You can have that set to whatever you want. So if I want to set this to 3 years, I'll do that. So again, depending on what niche you're in, this works really well, and it's just going to work without you having to worry about it. So So yeah, those are the changes that we are making. We have kind of, we've made a lot of changes to the system. We've done a lot of updates to the system, and we're going to continue to do that. And right now, our training is taking place in the accelerator. We released the second week there, and it was all about prospecting for your business, whether that's a small business or you're an agency. It doesn't really matter. The principles are still the same. So we're running a deal on that right now, and we will continue to run that for the next couple weeks, although the price goes up every week because we get more and more of it done. So that is how that's going to work. So if you would like to jump in on that, I would highly, highly, highly recommend that. You're also going to get into another Facebook group where you've got a lot more. You are encouraged to ask specific questions so that we can answer them, those questions specifically as it pertains to your business, our business, and Boost Academy is a good place to be as well. That's where obviously you're probably seeing this video, or if you're not in Boost Academy, you should be. But that is where we're at this point, and we are continuing to make some changes and some updates to the system, and we have a big update coming soon that is going to be an add-on to the system, but nevertheless a very good, very solid update. So thanks a lot, and I will see you on the next one.